Welcome to Dr. B's Biology Tutorials. Today we are covering dihybrid crosses and the principle of independent assortment, a crucial topic for AP and IB exams. Before diving into dihybrid crosses, let's quickly review monohybrid crosses. These involve one trait and typically yield a 3-to-1 ratio in the F2 generation. A dihybrid cross looks at how two traits are inherited simultaneously. For example, pea seed color and shape. Each parent contributes alleles for both traits. Mendel's second law states that the inheritance of one trait does not affect another, assuming the genes are on different chromosomes or far apart on the same chromosome. We will cross heterozygous parents for both traits, seed shape and seed color. This is the classic dihybrid cross example from Mendel's pea experiments. What is a dihybrid cross? When we set up the 4x4 Punnett square, we find 16 possible offspring combinations. The phenotypic ratio is 9 round yellow, 3 round green, 3 wrinkled yellow, and 1 wrinkled green. A dihybrid Punnett square is a 16-box Punnett with genotypes of 9 to 3 to 3 to 1. The 9 to 3 to 3 to 1 ratio is a hallmark of dihybrid crosses when traits assort independently. It's an exam favorite. Remember, dihybrid crosses combine two traits, follow independent assortment, and lead to predictable ratios. Always connect back to genetic diversity. Always practice. So for this particular cross, what ratio of offspring are lowercase a, lowercase b, and lowercase b? For this cross, the answer is only 1/16. These types of questions appear on AP IB exams, so get comfortable with them. That's it for dihybrid crosses and independent assortment. Don't forget to subscribe and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP IB study guides. See the first link in the comments below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.